What's up, everybody? Chef Seymour here, and today is season 2, episode 7 of Cooking with Chef Seymour. Today's dish will be barbecue chicken pizza, and the ingredients will be listed on the screen as always. Now, let's season our chicken. So here, I'm going to take some black pepper seasoning and season it all over our chicken. Make sure you want to rub it in. Now flip it over. Now in your skillet, spray some spray oil. And then place your chicken in the pan and let it cook till it gets golden brown on both sides. This is what your barbecue sauce should look like. Now let's assemble our pizza. Here I have a garlic parmesan butter mix, and I'm gonna spread it all around the crust for some flavor. Now let's add our homemade barbecue sauce. You want to spread that all around. You don't want to put too much, but not too little, just the right amount. Now we can add our chicken. Some red onion, not that much. For a nice touch, banana peppers. And then let that bake in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Cheers. Some good pizza, y'all. The flavor just adds up and it just makes a good taste. I want to thank you all for joining me on today's episode. You know I love you, and I'm out.